In this video, I'll show you how to set up YouTube TV on your LG Smart TV. It's quick and easy, and you'll be watching live TV in no time. Start by turning on your LG Smart TV and grabbing your remote. Go to the home screen, then open the LG Content Store or search for the YouTube app using the voice command or search bar. Once you find the YouTube app, open it. If it's the regular YouTube app, look for the YouTube TV option inside the app, usually at the top of the screen. Sign in with your Google account, and if prompted, enter your payment method and confirm your subscription to YouTube TV. Once done, you'll be taken straight into the YouTube TV interface, where you can browse live channels, shows, and your DVR recordings. That's it. You're all set to enjoy YouTube TV directly on your LG Smart TV. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more streaming tips and smart TV guides. Let me know in the comments if you're having trouble finding the YouTube TV app on your model.